Here's a look at the new Slimline Foundations 3-piece stencil set. This simple 3-piece stencil set is more than just rectangles. It's a perfect alignment tool for your Slimline cards. Each layer is etched with a center alignment for both length and width, as well as 2 more evenly spaced etched lines. The set also includes the negative piece for each stencil. Use them on their own or together to create layered effects. This is our newest addition to the Foundations family. You can find it in the Trinity shop. Thanks for checking out our new Foundations Slimline stencil.